What's up and howdy, y'all. Marcus Jordan here with the Premises Place Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Just wanted to drop a line and say hello. How are you doing? I know it's been a while since we've actually posted some consistent content, but on this side, we've been building and developing and evolving based on clients that we've helped, how things are changing in the world, so much going on, just not only in the US, but worldwide, globally. And we figured, how can we make Premises Place more reflective of how, not only how we've changed, but how clients have changed, how needs have changed, how things have changed, just in general. And so I just want to make a quick video to say, if you see like, hey, why would they post that on an apartment locating company? Because people who rent apartments evolve, and we are going to start reflecting that a little bit more. What I mean by that is, and you'll also notice in our bio, we've kind of changed to what we have evolved to, and that's live, play, and own. There's this big misconception that just because you rent an apartment doesn't mean you can't own a home, and you can through investments. So you can still build your wealth while also enjoying where you live and the area to play around. So just wanted to leave a quick video to let you know what was happening in case you started seeing some new content and you're like, that's not apartments. This has nothing to do with apartment locating. But actually, it will be about apartment locating. It's just now around the things that you can do, the places you can go, the hobbies you can have, and places you can play around apartments and different properties throughout the city. So I hope that this has given you some type of insight to the change that we're going to be making, and that you enjoy what we have coming up for you.